All right, so here we are. Here we've got an Anet printer. I've got my file on my memory card. The last video showed how to get your file sliced in the Cura software and onto this memory card. So if you haven't done that, watch that video and do that first. I'm going to go ahead and plug this memory card into the Anet printer. Push it down until it clicks. Then plug in your printer. I'm going to go to menu and come down to quick settings. Press enter. And you want to go down to preheat PLA. Now when I press enter, these lights on the side of the machine will turn on. There they are. That says it's printing or heating. It won't actually say it's heating on the screen, so keep an eye on that when you press it. And you're going to hit back. You're going to go down to print file. Press enter. Now just for reference, all the buttons I'm hitting, I made a little cheat sheet right here that shows you what up, down, menu, back, and enter are with these. Alright, I'm going to press down and hold until I get to the very bottom here, and there I find ring example. I'm going to press enter. And my display now changes. It says printing 0%. I have here my extruder temperature and my target temperature for the extruder, and you can see it's going up. And I have my bed temperature and the target temperature for the bed. You can see it's slowly going up. So when once everything is heated up, the printer should start. Make sure that any old prints, like this one here, are taken off and that the bed is nice and flat. And that should be it. I think it said my print would take 8 minutes, so after 8 minutes I'll come over and take my print off and then unplug the printer and I'm done.